Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Polychrome Sync installed, drivers up to date, and the source device connected by USB-C or Ethernet. Once connected, enable device discovery and preferences so the app can find hardware automatically. Create or open the project folder and verify at least 50% free disk space. This prevents sync interruptions and temporary file errors. Now, launch a fresh sync session from the main menu and select the source profile. This starts the app. Once the session starts, choose a sync mode: mirror for exact copy, update to add changes, or incremental for smaller deltas. Each affects how files overwrite or preserve history. Next, map your source and target folders, apply include/exclude filters for file types or sizes, and define conflict rules so the app knows whether to keep newer or original files. Also, make sure to set bandwidth limits and enable encryption and checksum validation to guarantee integrity and predictable transfer performance. You finish by running a dry run preview to review which files will change. This prevents accidental deletions. Once satisfied, start the full sync and monitor the transfer log, watch for checksum mismatches, and verify the successful file count when complete. If something goes wrong, retry failed transfers, check file permissions and disk quotas, and reconnect cables or restart discovery. As a final tip, keep a small test folder to validate settings before applying them to mission-critical data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.